In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a basic room in Sketch. To do this, I'm going to click the Room button here on the toolbar. You can see the image of a room attached to my cursor. I move my cursor over the workspace and then I click the mouse button. This places a room on my Sketch workspace. Since the room is currently selected, you can see both the inside dimensions and outside dimensions of this room. It's 4 meters by 4 meters on the interior and 4.18 by 4.18 meters on the exterior. The interior and exterior dimensions are different because the walls are 90 millimeters thick. Now let's take a look at the details of the sketched room. The squares here in the middle of the walls are handles. Clicking and dragging these handles is how you'll be able to move a wall to change the size of a room. At the corner, these diamond-shaped handles are vertices. We won't interact with the vertices for a while because, as you can see here, moving the vertices creates some unusual shaped rooms. Here in the center, clicking and dragging this diamond-shaped handle next to the room label lets you move the room around in the Sketch workspace. Just outside the upper right corner of the room, you can see an icon of a pointing hand over paper. This is the room's properties icon. Every object you can select on the Sketch workspace, rooms, walls, doors, stairs, has a properties icon that you can click on. When I click on the properties icon, I open a panel that displays the properties for this room. You can see several different sections, and in each of these sections, I have different things I can control or make changes to. For example, I can change the room name here. I'll change it from Room 1 to Sitting Room. Room properties is very important because it lets me adjust a lot of aspects of this room, such as floor height, relation to the rest of the level, wall thickness, which, as we saw earlier, is 90 millimeters, and ceiling height, 2.44 meters, with a box ceiling. Eventually, you'll learn to use this properties panel to create some complex rooms and scopes. For now, you simply need to understand that the properties panel is where you can make these kinds of adjustments. I'll close the properties panel by clicking away from it, anywhere else on the Sketch workspace. The last thing I want to show you in this video is how to easily see all of your Sketch's dimensions. As you can see, my measurements appear in the room when it's selected, but once I click away, my room measurements disappear. I'm going to change that by clicking on the View menu here and turning on Measurements. Now all rooms on my sketch will display their dimensions. And that's all there is to creating a basic sketch. Fill out the survey below to let us know if there's anything else you'd like to learn more about. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips each week.